Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart video. I'm actually outside of CVS because I got my CoverGirl coupons yesterday, and I had to go like ham with it because it's a moneymaker. And so I wanted to come do that. I finished off Whole Blends and Fructis as well. That's all I did this week, pretty much, for the most part. And so I'm going to be doing my Walmart video for you guys. Now, my weekend bonus, I need 18 rebates for $5. I'll also be able to finish off the larger bonus, which was the Splish Splash bonus as well. So we should be able to knock out a total of 18 rebates for $15. So this should be pretty cool. There's a lot of repeats, resets. I do have some new deals to share with y'all as well. Of course, I'll have a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. First time seeing this lovely face who is getting super shiny. Go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Make sure you also smash the like button. Support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well so you never miss any videos. Without further ado, let's head over to Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals we can get. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the little bag of chips. There's a rebate on Ibotta for 10 cents any chip. So I'm gonna grab one of these for 49 cents, get back 10 cents, making that only 39 cents. I'll be grabbing the Mountain Dew Frostbite, which is priced at $2.28. You're gonna get back $1.14 on Ibotta, making that $1.14. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not sorry. Let me stop lying. I had to do it, y'all. I thought it was dead, but it wasn't. So I did it again. So same deal. You want to know what the deal is? It's in the Google Doc because I know y'all sick. Well, okay, let's just go over it. Coca-Cola Unlimited, price at $2.08. I'm grabbing them in sets of 4. I'll pay $8.32 and then getting back $7 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. And then yeah, makes them 33 cents each. And then of course with the conversion on my points, brings them down to 21 cents. So yeah, I've been doing this across the board. The other thing I was looking for over here was the Mambas, which I do not see. They don't have them at the store. I got them last night, and I think they were $1.58. They're usually on this side of the checkout. They're almost never on this side. They have a lot of candy on clearance and gum, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Anyways, at my store they were priced at, I'll pop up a picture. They're priced at $1.58, and then Ibotta's giving you back $1.48, so it makes it 10 cents. Okay, and I keep forgetting about this honey ham. Don't ask me why. But I grabbed 2 slices, and it was $1.14. Getting back $1.25 on Ibotta, so it can make it a little bit of a moneymaker for a little, little snack, a little lunch snack. And then we're gonna grab some more of this avocado. This avocado hot sauce, which is priced at $2.48. Ibotta's gonna give you back $1.50, so it makes this 98 cents. All right, next up is the Fruit Loops. If you guys have been smashing this deal, let me know in the comments. This is a deal that I've been doing. I've been maxing out every time it resets. I just donated all my cereal and totally forgot about these. But I think that's because Josiah likes his cereal, but he's kind of sometimes he does and sometimes he doesn't. $1.34. Ibotta's giving you back $1, making it only 34 cents with a limit of 5. So grabbing 5 of these every time. And yeah, your girls' cabinets are stocked with Fruit Loops. Alright, so my next deal is on the mac and cheese. I'm still 1 rebate short, and I can't get another gift card because I'm not at $20 yet. So I'm gonna just grab the mac and cheese price at $1, getting back 30 cents on Ibotta. We'll make this only 70 cents. Actually, I think I'm gonna grab this one instead. It's the value size. It is twice the size as this one. This one's I think 7.5. 7.25 ounces, and this one is 14.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this one. It'll be cheaper and it's more. So it's priced at $2.08. So you'll get back $1.45 on Ibotta, which is gonna make that only 63 cents. Next up is the Greenfield Natural Meat Co. It's these little natural type Lunchables. They are priced at $2.92. On Shopkick, we have offers for each one of them of 500 kicks, which is $2. So to bring them down to only 92 cents, which is definitely not bad. So I figured, hey, I'll try them. Look, I can explain. I can explain this. it's still making me money. That's exactly how I'm going to explain it. It's still making me money, so I'm still going to do it. And I'm surprised this one is still there. But anyway, so we're grabbing the top one, which is the bag that's got the cow print. It's $2.94. I'm gonna grab this one down here, which is $3.13. Getting back 900 kicks on Shopkick, right there, right? Which is equivalent to what? Is equivalent to $3.60 plus 50 cents on Ibotta. It makes one of them $1.16 moneymaker and one of them 97-cent moneymaker. So that's gonna help pay for those Lunchables we got. So this next deal I got from I'll put her name up from Instagram. I saw this deal yesterday and I ran out and grabbed it real quick. It's on the Starbucks Double Shot Energy. It was this one here was the only one that was double attaching on Ibotta. There's a $3 rebate and there's also a $1 rebate. Ignore that right there. These are priced at $3.28, getting back $4 on Ibotta between both rebates. Makes it a 72-cent moneymaker. Now there is a limit of 5, so I went ahead and grabbed 5, so it made all 5 free, plus a $3.60 moneymaker. Right, so the last food item is going to be on the Lipton tea. It is priced at $2.28. I'm gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta. I'm also gonna go for $1 on Shopmium as well as Alexa, making this a 22-cent moneymaker. And of course, I've been doing this deal on repeat, maxing it out as well. It's on the Raid Fly Ribbon, priced at $2.24. Really easy deal, y'all. No coupons involved. Super easy way to help hit your bonus. And you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, making them only 24 cents each. And lucky for me, they only have 3 left. All right, so this next deal is on the Dude Wipes, which are down here. This is the travel section. They are priced at $2.12. You're gonna get back $8 on Ibotta, making that $1.12. The other item that I had to run out and do yesterday with the coffee deal was on the Clorox wipes, priced at $1.12. I'm sorry the music is so loud, y'all, but literally, it's right over my head. Club Walmart. I got this deal from Joy of Couponing. She posted this on her channel. It's on the Clorox wipes. They're priced at $1.12. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $2.24 and get back $3.50 on Swagbucks, My Points, or Inbox, making it a $1.26 moneymaker. Now you can max this deal out if you want and grab 4, which is what I did. So I ended up paying $4.48, got back 7, making it a $2.52 moneymaker. Now on my Tada, it was only for $2.50, so I got back $5. So over there, it made it a very small moneymaker, but nonetheless, a moneymaker. It's on the Colgate Optic White Renewal, priced at $7.32. We're gonna grab one of them. We're getting back $3 on Ibotta, $3 on coupons.com, $3, not coupons.com, $3 on Shopmium, and $3 on Alexa. Grab the Colgate Plaque, which the store is out of them. They're priced at $8.36, and for this, you're grabbing 1, getting back 3 on Ibotta, and 3 on Alexa, making that $2.36. But I figure with all the moneymakers, it's gonna be free anyway, so why not? All right, guys, this next deal is gonna be on the Referral. Now, my stores are completely out of the ones that were price matching, and so my next best thing to do is to grab the eyeshadows here, priced at $6.48. You'll get back 5 on Ibotta. And then you're also going to be getting back $3 on Shopmium, making that a $1.52 moneymaker. Now the same deal goes with the lipsticks as well, which are priced at $6.48. Same thing, get back 5 on Ibotta, and then $3 on Shopmium, making that a $1.52 moneymaker. So basically you end up getting both products for like a $3 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. If you can't price match, which is always my first thing, our clearance. And so, all right, this next deal I got from Couponing with Eunice. I think she talked about this deal a couple videos ago. They're priced for $3.98. You want to grab 2 of them. We're going to be using this 4 off of 2 coupon right here from Inserts. I did this deal yesterday. Coupon scanned perfectly fine for me. I went to self-checkout. I ended up paying $3.96 out of pocket. Then I got back 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.20. I'm making each bottle only 80 cents. Just ignore the fact that I'm on the wrong aisle. The associates are over there stocking the aisle where the vitamins are. I wanted to go over this deal. I'm not going to do it, but I think it's a really great deal. It's on the Smarty Pens vitamins. They're priced at $13.98. And then we have $3 coupons from our inserts. So you'll end up paying $21.96 out of pocket. I'll pop up a breakdown for you in the, right now. You'll end up paying $21.96 out of pocket, but then you'll get back $4 for each on Ibotta. And then we'll get back $9 on Swagbucks. So it'll make it $2.50 each, $2.48 each, which is not necessarily bad. This offer doesn't exclude coupons on Ibotta, so but it's not a bad deal. This loud as can be music. It's not a bad deal if it's something that you use, but if I can get another rebate to kind of jump in the game, then I would definitely do it. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Don't be mad at your girl, because I did the Coke across the board. I did the Chupa Chuggers 4 times. I actually did it twice on one day, which was cool. And I know that for me, Shopkick is kind of funny. Like, sometimes I could do a deal multiple times on the same day, but sometimes I can't. But what I do is, if I am doing it the same day, I'll like, I might do the Chupa Chups by itself, and then once it goes through, I'll do it again on a receipt, and I'll add some other Shopkick offers, so that way if it doesn't process that, then I can always just put a ticket in and still get the kicks for it. And so that's kind of what I had started doing, but I was able to do it twice on one day with that, which was really cool. And like I said, y'all, I know I said I was gonna be done with it. If it's still a moneymaker, I'm still gonna do it. You know what I mean? Even if it was like, I think almost $2 moneymaker, which is cool. That paid for the soda, so of course I'm gonna still do it. The Clorox I ran across the board as well. It went through for all the apps: Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada. Now on my Tada, it was, instead of it being $3.50 for 2, it was $2.50 for 2. So it was still a small money maker, but not as big as the other apps, because you were getting back like $7 for buying 4. I'm really curious to try these. As a matter of fact, after this video, I think I'm gonna try one. I do have a lot of receipts. I'm not gonna show you all my receipts, but I did do CVS as well. I did the Hoblins and the Fruities on my final situation, and I also went ahead and did CoverGirl. I figured if something's free or a moneymaker, I cannot do it. Like, I can't even help myself, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, I can't even help myself to not do it. And CoverGirl was a $3 moneymaker for each set, so I figured, why not? The whole blends of Fruities are free. Why not? So everything you see here retails $225.96. I'm gonna pop up the tax because I haven't did it yet. I had $43 in coupons, CRTs, or digitals. The only coupons I used today at Walmart was the Dove coupons. I haven't been using a lot of coupons at Walmart, though. And so, yeah. But I'm hoping with us getting the BOGO coupons and our inserts that they'll make for some really great deals. If not at Walmart, at CVS. The out-of-pocket was $182.96, and then we walk away with $71.42 from Ibotta. $40.80 from Shopkick. Alexa is $7. Shopmium is $10, and I'm still pending for both of those. Swagbucks was $28 because I accidentally did the soda. Well, I did the soda yesterday, and I did again today. And then MyPoints was $14.96. Inbox dollars was $7. Tada was $12, and then I walk away with $31 in extra care bucks. So we got back a total of $191.18, making everything you see here free, plus $8.22 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. And I'm excited over the coffee, you guys, because if you know me, you know your girl loves coffee. Like, every day, coffee. First thing, all right? First thing. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there is a deal that you guys are smashing, I would love to hear about it in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I'm going to try this really quick. I don't even know if I'm going to toss it on. I'm going to put my chair back a little bit. Yeah. I'm not even sure if I'm going to post this in the video or not, but it's supposed to be, let me see, pork raised with no antibiotics and growth hormones. Humanely raised, yeah, crate-free. Uncured ham and cheese lunch kit. Smoked ham, crackers, Colby cheese, and chocolate bear cookies. Now, looking at it off the back, this doesn't look like a ham, let me see. Focus, man. I'm a ham head. Doop, doop, doop. Taste it by itself. The cheese looks kind of like, no. Not bad. These little chocolate bears. here. Give back to me. I'm not gonna pass enough food. Oh, it's a little Lunchables. You don't like Lunchables. David used to love Lunchables when he was little. Wonder what I did when you gave me cheese with my crackers at school? I just put the cheese in these green cheese crackers. Like a fake cheese sandwich. Tastes good. I heard the mess. Where's my little control? Right here. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Because I like it. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry because it's already noon and I haven't eaten yet today. All I have is coffee. I'm hungry. I want water. Get a cup. I don't know where to look for a cup right now. So I give this a thumbs up. I think it's good. It only costs 92 cents, so you cannot beat that. I feel like I needed more crackers though. Let me see something. I'm gonna make a triple stacker. If I put it down, it's going to fall apart. Definitely, we'll be doing this deal. Now I'm gonna wash it down with some of this Ultimate Coke. I told you, I don't mind this Coke at all. Especially when it's only 30 cents each. And when you stack it with the candy, it's free. Why wouldn't I get it? And 0 calories? Sold. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on the door. And I'll see you guys in the next video.